Good evening. I shot a wedding in Twin Lakes today, which means that's relatively close to a lot of 14ers. So I am going to try for Mount Antero. So I'm going to hike up the trail road a little bit tonight, find a spot to set up camp, and then hopefully summit in the morning. There's still a bit of snow. We'll see how tough it is. I do have spikes and ice axe and all that, so we should be good to go. But let's get changed and head up. Setting off a little bit before 8 p.m. here. See how long I keep the light. This road is steep. Starting to feel a little bit better. I'm hitting my stride a little bit, kind of getting into it, getting warmed up. Hoping to camp around tree line tonight, maybe a little bit lower. Take 2 to 3 miles off my hike in the morning. That would be really nice. Getting there. So I have made it to the junction in Baldwin Gulch. I've got to cross the water over here. There's quite a bit of water coming down here. That means there's a lot of snow melt up high. Whew. But that means I'm like 2,400 feet up, maybe 25, 2.5 miles in. That's pretty good. And now let's just find a way across here. Okay, I made it across. Didn't really film it because I needed to pay attention. Now the mission is find a camp spot. Nice. There, this is it. Just a little bit in. Nice flat spot over here. This is great. I think I'm going to have a snack, get my bag packed up for the morning, and go to bed. Whew, I'm glad I made it up here though. I think I'm like 2.6 miles in, about 2,500 feet, so that's about half of the elevation gain and about half the distance, a little bit less than half the distance, so I'm pretty happy with that. So the nice thing about coming up on your own is you can kind of go as slow or as fast as you want, which I, as usual, probably went a little bit too fast. But on the other side of things, by yourself is a little bit spooky, a little bit lonely. But that is okay. Not too many bears up here, not really any mountain lions up here, so I'm not too worried. Lots of people have been up here the last few days. I'm feeling pretty good. This is quite the mess. Gotta hang my bear bag though. Gotta be smart. Good morning. It's just about 3 in the morning. Gonna head up soon. It's a little bit damp. My site selection wasn't great. That's okay. Whew, the moon's out for a little bit, but it's gonna go down soon. Taking a little break. I'm at 11,700 feet, almost 12,000 feet. Still a bit of snow on the road, but it is not too bad. I'm feeling tired. First 14er things. First 14er of 2021 things. Taking a little break here at like 12,300 feet, something like that. Trying to decide if I want to head up this gully behind me instead of taking the road over here. I saw on 14ers.com that there's probably a pretty big wind load cornice back up here that I would have to cross. I don't necessarily want to, so this might be the better option. So let's do it. Looks like there's some footprints from someone probably a couple days ago going up this way, so I'm just gonna keep following those. Whew. That was a slightly quicker way to get to 13,000 feet. The road's looking better now though. Back this way. So I'm probably gonna hit the road for a little bit instead of going up. This gets even steeper. Whew. We're past the sketchy parts over there. I'm feeling pretty good about that. Whew. Let's go. Wow, this is amazing. Whew. I got Shimano and Tabawash behind me. Got Princeton over here. Woo! Oh man. Shimano and Tabawash. I was there almost a year ago. Wow, that part was rough. Huh. But I made it up to the saddle, almost to the summit. Like 400 feet left. Woo! One little step at a time. We're almost there. We're almost there. Little steps. This is difficult. But it'll be worth it. It always is. Okay, too dark. Okay, that part was super sketchy. I definitely needed the ice axe to cross that. Whew. That was a little bit scary. And that is the summit of Mount Antero. Yeah! Oh man, that was hard. Oh. Oh. First 14 of 2021, check. 14 to number 31 total. Nice. I will take it. Whew. Okay, it is time to head down. It's getting chillier, getting windier. I'm gonna put the camera away in the backpack so I can focus on getting down a bit faster, and I'll probably bring you back when I'm back at my camp. So let's get rolling. Alright, I'm back at camp and my tent is still here. I'm going to pack up literally as fast as I can. Pretty sloppy. Just so we can get going. Okay, it is 9:49, so it's an hour and 50 minutes down from the summit and packing up my gear. So that's like less than half the time that it took me to get up there. All right, back from the summit in 2.5 hours for 7-something miles. Not bad. Oh, that was a long one. Whew. Between the snow and that road is just steep. Oh man. Worth it though, always worth it. Now it's time to head home. Whew. Nice. I'm happy with that. Thank you for watching.